Madrid in a state of siege shows the effect of constant bombing by insurgent planes that fly over the Spanish capital by day and night. Ancient buildings, palaces, galleries containing priceless art treasures, all these bear witness to the marksmanship of the rebel bombers. Citizens walk among the ruins which only a short while ago were normal, stately buildings, like those we know in London and our own big cities. Now there is food shortage, petrol shortage, leaking gas and burst mains. This, in short, is civil war.